Hey, handy helpers. It's me, Andy.
And me, Lily.
And welcome to our fishing trip on the lake, where we fix it, build it, and learn it together.
Hey, I have an idea. Handy helpers, would you like to go fishing with Andy and I?
Great idea, Lily. But before we get started, let's warm up our fishing muscles. Let's start by wiggling our arms like wiggly worms on a hook. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Next, let's use our arms like we're throwing our fishing rods. Throw, throw, throw.
And now, let's practice reeling in a fish like we're getting ready to catch a big one. Reel, reel, reel. Wow, great job. Now that we're warmed up, we're ready to start fishing. Time to gear up and fix it up. Fishing rods ready. Now remember, just like we practiced, 1, 2, 3, throw! Now we just sit here and wait until we catch something.
There are so many surprises in this lake. I wonder what we'll catch. Maybe something really big or something super tiny.
Well, I know I'm going for the biggest surprise in the whole lake. Uh-oh, I think I got something.
Oh, wow, Andy! You caught the letter A!
A is my favorite letter in the alphabet. Now this is a keeper. Okay, do you know how to draw the letter A? Let's draw it together.
So, Andy, can you name 5 things that start with the letter A?
Let's see. Well, for one, my name, Andy, starts with the letter A. A, N, D, Y. Oh, and I brought a snack with me. An apple. A for apple. Whoa, look up in the sky. It's an airplane flying by. A for airplane. Well, let's see. Just 2 more words that start with the letter A. Well, how about my arm? A, R, N. We used our arms to catch the letter A. And one more. Oh, how about the word ant? A, N, T. Well, ants are little insects that crawl in a straight line and like to go marching one by one. Hurrah, hurrah.
So, Andy, that's Andy, apple, airplane, arm, and ants. Wow, you named 5 things that start with the letter A. Great job, Andy. Oh, I think I got one. Oh, it's a big one.
Awesome. Looks like you caught the letter B. Nice one.
The letter B is so cool. Can we draw the letter B?
Okay, Lily, now it's your turn. Can you name 5 words that start with the letter B?
Well, we're sitting on a boat. B is for boat. B-O-A-T. Let's see. Oh, I brought a banana for a snack too. B is for banana. Oh, look, in the trees. There's a bird. B is for bird. Oh, and I do love playing games. Sometimes I play games with a ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Andy, do you hear that buzzing? It sounds like a bumblebee. B is for bee. B-E-E.
All right, so boat, banana, bird, ball, bee. All those 5 words start with the letter B. Nice job. Oh, I think I got something.
Oh my goodness. What is it? What's it gonna be? What's that I see? The
Huh.
letter C.
Let's draw the letter C.
Oh, wow. Hey, Andy, can you name 5 things that start with the letter C?
Well, I know one. A car. A car is like a boat on the water, except with wheels. Vroom, vroom. And how about a cat? Cat is one of my favorite pets. And how about a cookie? A cookie is another great snack to have on the lake. And up in the sky again, there's clouds. Clouds starts with the letter C. And last, how about a cow? Cows live on the farm near the lake, and they go moo.
Oh, wow, Andy. Let's see. Car, cat, cookie, cloud, and cow. That's all 5. Great job. Oh, whoa, Andy. I think I got another one. Here we go. Oh, wow.
Wow, it looks like you caught the letter D.
Handy helpers, can we draw the letter D?
All right, Lily, can you name 5 words that start with the letter D?
Well, my favorite animal is a dog. Ruff, ruff. Oh, and I hear something. Is that a quacking noise? D is for duck. Quack, quack. What else? You know what? When I walk the dog home, I have to go through the door. D is for door. D-O-O-R, door. Oh, and you know what? One of your favorite tools. Drill. D is for drill. D-R-I-L-L. One more, I think. Let's see. Oh, one of my favorite toys. A doll. D is for doll.
So we have a dog, a duck, a door, a drill, and a doll. Those are 5 words to start with the letter D. Nice job. Oh, I think I got something.
Oh my goodness, it's a big one.
Oh,
Oh, wow, you got the letter E. How cool, Andy.
hey, let's draw the letter E.
Hey, Andy, do you know 5 things that start with the letter E?
I think I do. I know for one, egg. I like to have eggs for breakfast. And how about an elephant? Elephant starts with the letter E. And they have big trunks. I bet they could use that as a fishing rod. How about ears? We can use our ears to hear if there's any splashing fish in the water. Do you hear any? Oh, and eyes. Eyes start with the letter E. I wonder if we see any fish splashing around. And how about our elbows? Do you know where your elbows are at, handy helpers?
Wow, Andy, you listed egg, elephant, ear, eyes, and elbow. That's 5 words that start with the letter E. Great job, Andy. Oh, whoa, Andy. I think this might be my biggest one yet. Oh, look! Look what it is.
Wow, you caught the letter F.
Wow. Handy helpers, can you draw the letter F?
All right, Lily, can you name 5 words that start with the letter F?
Let's see. Well, there are a lot of fish in the lake. Fish starts with the letter F. Oh, and Andy, do you hear that? Ribbit, ribbit. That sounds like a frog. Frog. F-R-O-G. Let's see. Oh, look over there. There are some beautiful flowers. The word flower starts with the letter F. F is for flower. It is a little windy. Oh, look, there's a flag. A flag waves like the sail in our sailboat. One last one. Oh, I know. A fork. F is for fork, like we used to eat in our picnic after our fishing trip. Yum.
Great job, Lily. So we have a fish, a frog, a flower, a flag, and a fork. Nice job. Wow, we caught so many surprises today. We caught the letters A, B, C, D, E, and F.
And we learned so many things about each letter. Great job, Handy Helpers.
Well, it looks like it's time for us to go back to the workshop. But remember, at Andy's workshop, we fix it,
Build it,
and learn it together. See you next time.